I have already mentioned in my old video that depression can be treated. It's a medical issue too. Well, medicine is a kind of drug, right? Okay, let me tell you. If you are too much into medicine, for example, if you are taking a painkiller of 100 mg regularly, after some time you feel that it's not effective or it's not working, it's not enough for you. Your body demands for higher mg. What I have seen many times is for mental illness, if you are taking medication, it's just that you feel more sleepy, or I feel that it's all temporary. It's making you to avoid thinking by making you sleep more. Well, I'm not a medical student, so let me talk about the other way to come out of depression. Many times people say that, especially when they get cheated in love, they say that I'm not going to think about her or him. She cheated me, I'm not going to think. She left me, I'm not going to think. By telling I'm not thinking, they are continuously thinking about the same person. Because you are giving your mind the negative instruction that I'm not. Instead of that, why can't you think about your future, exams, job, family? Well, if not, any good movie, nature, beautiful place, song, anything which makes you feel happy. Now, many of you may say that it's impossible. But nothing is impossible. Because impossible itself says I am possible. See, mental health and physical both are connected. If you are physically fit, you feel mentally happy. If you are mentally happy, even though if you are physically having some problem, you are ill, you are sick, you are physically challenged, anything it is, it never affects you. It never stops you from achieving anything, because mental health is everything. That's why we call it's a mind game. So, how to be physically fit? Obviously, we all know that we need to eat good, do workout. What are good food? What do you think? These packed food and canned drink? Nowadays, there is a new trend of vegan diet, vegan food. Come on, this is what our ancient people followed long back. They were healthy and they were happy. In every negative situation, there is a positivity. It's just that we need to change the way we see it. Let me tell you a story again. Just look at this cake. I'm going to give it to you. So, what you are thinking? Do comment it in the comment section. Before continuing, what came into your mind other than eating it? Well, if you thought or worried about quarter part of the cake is missing and being sad for it, sorry, I'm sad for you. Learn to be happy about getting 3/4 part of the cake. That's what I said. Train your mind to see good in everything. Losing someone or death of someone makes us sad, because birth and death is not in our hand. We all know that. But never let the sadness convert into depression. Your sadness is temporary, but the depression makes you to lose everything. So, never let your sadness convert to depression. You may have seen hundreds of failures in life, but that's not the end. Yet you have chance. Life itself is a chance for you. Don't stress yourself. Actually, this sentence itself stresses many of us. So, stop saying to your mind not to stress. Just say, relax. All of you, just repeat and say, Relax. If you are doing horse ride, if you get any hump or hole in your way, you need to instruct the horse to jump, isn't it? It jumps. And move further. Second time also you need to instruct the horse. Even the third time. But in the fourth time, even though you didn't instruct or you won't instruct the horse itself jumps when it see any hump or hole. Same the mind is. Keep sending positive messages to your mind. Keep sending a positive vibe to your mind. Keep finding positivity in everything what you see. You will get positive outcome.